How to buy and cast votes using Ventix Cash. Tap on Voting. Select the voting event. Tap on Buy Votes. Select the type, if it's a single or package as the case may be. Select the amount you want to buy. Scroll down. Tap on Next. To pay with Ventix Cash, tap on the Vcash icon here and slide to the right. Enter your Ventix wallet PIN. Tap on Submit. Tap OK. Tap on Tickets. Tap on Cast Votes. Select the category in which you want to cast your vote. You can even search for the category. Scroll down to find your contestant, or you can search the name of your contestant. Tap here to vote for your contestant. Select the amount of votes you want to cast for your contestant and tap Submit Vote. Tap Yes.